In addition to its delectable flavor, avocado has a slew of health benefits, including those for the face. It is not only nourishing for the face, but it can also help to lessen the appearance of acne. Avocado has a lot of benefits for the face since it contains a lot of different nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, healthy fats, antioxidants, and key minerals like selenium and zinc that are beneficial for skin health. The benefits for facial skin health can be gained by regularly ingesting the fruit or using it as a mask and facial cleanser. Here are 5 avocado benefits for face and skin. 1. Moisturizing skin. Avocados are able to hydrate the skin due to its high fat, water, vitamin, and mineral content. It can also be used as a natural product to heal dry or cracked skin because of their components. Its antioxidant content can also help to repair skin damage caused by conditions like eczema and acne. 2. Improve skin elasticity. The second benefit of avocado for the face is that it improves facial skin suppleness. Avocados provide this advantage because they include manganese and vitamin C, both of which are essential components for the body's collagen production. Collagen is a protein that the skin requires to be supple. Furthermore, research has shown that avocado's healthy fat content can aid enhance skin suppleness and decrease facial wrinkles. 3. Prevent and repair skin damage. Avocados are high in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants, all of which can help to alleviate skin inflammation. In fact, studies have shown that these 5 nutrients can protect the skin from UV damage. 4. Reduce skin hyperpigmentation. Avocado's high vitamin C and vitamin E concentration is beneficial for preventing and treating skin discoloration and hyperpigmentation. This is due to the fact that these vitamins can help reduce skin irritation and melanin synthesis, both of which contribute to the appearance of dark patches on the skin. 5. Prevents the appearance of acne. The next avocado benefit for the face is that it helps to minimize the appearance of acne. Avocado's vitamin C and omega-3 content can help to reduce inflammation on the skin, which can help to minimize the appearance of acne. Avocado oil, in addition to containing vitamin C and omega-3, also includes antimicrobials, making it useful for treating acne on the face. As mentioned earlier, you can consume ripe avocado straight or use it as a face mask and cleanser to reap the advantages of avocado for the face. Avocado oil can be used as a face cleanser if you want to use avocado. Put few drops of avocado oil on a cotton ball and wipe it on your face and neck. To obtain the best effects, do it twice a day.